Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to unblock Roblox on school Chromebooks. Let's go through the essential steps together. First, let's understand why schools block Roblox. Typically, it's due to distraction and inappropriate content concerns on school devices. Before trying to unblock anything, check your school's acceptable use policy. It might surprise you to learn that Roblox is allowed in some cases. One common method is using a VPN. This can be effective, but be aware of the risks like network security issues or potential disciplinary action. You can also attempt to access Roblox through different web browsers. Some browsers may not enforce the same restrictions. In Google Chrome, you can change proxy settings to bypass some limitations. Let's walk through the steps to do this. Another option is creating a new Google account. This personal account might not have the same restrictions as your school account. If possible, consider using a mobile hotspot. This method can help you access Roblox without going through school networks. Lastly, don't forget to talk to your school IT staff. Sometimes, explaining your case might lead to a resolution. To wrap up, we've explored various methods to unblock Roblox on your school Chromebook. Remember, always follow your school's guidelines.